proposed Mapsa bus stand just outside the old existing Kadamba bus stand. As आमचो consultant Rahul Deshpande along with GSIDC officials, KTC officials and Directorate of Transport officials have, along with Chairperson of Mapsa Municipal Council and group of councillors are here for the site inspection for the interim bus stop that will be tendered by GSIDC within the coming days. So, हांगा एक basic upliftment infrastructure basic amenities provide करपा खातीर CMAन special approval दिलेले आसा for the Mapsa bus stand until the further plan of how to move forward with the bus stand can take place. So here this site has been laying idle for the last 5 years. So on this property there will be basic infrastructure, asphalting, tiling, pavers along with footpaths, illumination and toilet along with shed for existing commuters, people from other states that are coming here due to a lot of buses. The Chief Minister has approved an amount of around 3 crores which will be tendered and subsequently work will start on priority.
It will start soon. बेगीन सुरू करपाचो प्रयत्न आसा. सो आतां इलेक्शन येवपाचें आसा, ताजे पयलीं कितलें जातलें त्या प्रमाणे आमी बेगीन करूंक शकता.